Welcome to Bulldogito News, where crypto bites harder than the market. Fire. Today's episode isn't just news, it's a signal. Bitcoin whales are stacking like it's the last bull run. XRP whales are moving hundreds of millions. Ripple is closing in on a settlement with the SEC, and ETF speculation is setting the stage for something huge. Plus, Michael Saylor is back with his most viral tweet yet, and BlackRock is silently preparing for a Bitcoin takeover while Grayscale exits the party. Whether you're a degen, a holder, or someone trying to figure out if this is the bottom or the beginning, we've got the info, the analysis, and the attitude to guide you through this wild market. Let's dive into the headlines that matter most today. Bitcoin's top holders have shifted into accumulation mode at historic speed. According to Glassnode data, whales are now absorbing 300% of the new BTC mined daily. That's not a typo. Whales are buying 3 times more than what's being produced. To put this in perspective, around 900 BTC are mined per day. That means whales are buying about 2,700 BTC daily from the open market. This results in a record-breaking drop in exchange reserves, signaling long-term confidence and self-custody over short-term profit-taking. Meanwhile, retail wallets are surging too, especially addresses holding at least 0.1 BTC, which just crossed 692,000 new wallets. That's a flood of fresh hands joining the race. Analysts say this resembles the 2020 accumulation zone, right before Bitcoin exploded from 10K to 60K. If history rhymes, we might be looking at the calm before another parabolic run. This isn't just accumulation, this is preparation, the kind you only see before liftoff. The whales aren't buying dips, they're draining the ocean. If you think the next Bitcoin bull run hasn't started yet, you might already be late. After 4 years of legal war, Ripple and the SEC have hit the brakes. A 60-day pause was granted to allow both parties to finalize a potential settlement. That pause, also known as an abeyance, usually only happens when the outcome is very close. Ripple has been in talks to pay a fine significantly lower than the original amount, potentially around $50 million. But what matters more is this: a settlement could end the cloud of regulatory uncertainty hanging over XRP's US marketability. XRP could become the first major altcoin with clear non-security status, making it ETF ready, exchange friendly, and primed for institutional capital. This pause is no coincidence. It aligns with the surge in whale activity, new fund formations, and rumors of ETF applications. The SEC pause isn't a stall, and it's the silence before the verdict. This isn't just about Ripple anymore. If they settle, it means XRP gets the green light Wall Street has been waiting for. Settlement equals clarity. Clarity equals money. Big money. There's a reason ETF rumors around XRP are heating up. Analysts are calling the current setup a perfect storm. Why? 3 key ingredients. Legal clarity is close, with Ripple's case winding down. Institutional demand is rising, especially in Asia. Scarcity: if an ETF is approved, actual XRP would be locked into custodial vaults, reducing circulating supply. Brad Kimes likened it to a vacuum cleaner, sucking XRP off the market. Think Bitcoin supply shock in 2020, but turbocharged by court wins and financial infrastructure already in place. JP Morgan and BlackRock are rumored to be evaluating XRP-based financial products, and though nothing is confirmed, their silence could mean preparations are underway. You remember what happened when Bitcoin ETFs were approved? Now picture that, but with XRP, less supply, more demand, institutional FOMO, and retail panic buying. If this ETF narrative catches fire, XRP won't just rise, it'll ignite. This is where the battle of the giants begins. According to ETF data, BlackRock plus 19,500 Bitcoin added to their iShares ETF. Grayscale minus 15,000 Bitcoin outflow from GBTC. Why does it matter? While Grayscale faces pressure from fees and redemptions, BlackRock is just getting started. The difference is institutional conviction versus exhaustion. BlackRock's quiet accumulation is a signal. They aren't buying hype. They're building positions before retail catches up. Their strategy is to buy when others hesitate and sell when demand peaks. Meanwhile, Grayscale's redemptions are helping clean up market inefficiencies. Combined, this shift in holdings might actually strengthen Bitcoin's foundation, not weaken it. This isn't a disagreement, it's a changing of the guard. Grayscale walked so BlackRock could run, and BlackRock is running toward massive Bitcoin exposure. If you're not paying attention to who's buying, you're playing the wrong game. Michael Saylor, the Bitcoin billionaire evangelist, did it again. In his latest viral tweet, he shared an AI-generated meme of himself holding a phone. Captioned simply, "Bitcoin is calling." Simple, powerful, viral. Over 12 million impressions in 48 hours. Why the buzz? Because Saylor never sells. His firm MicroStrategy holds over 530,000 BTC and has only bought more through bull runs and bear dips. Every time he tweets, the market pays attention. More than a meme, it's a signal. MicroStrategy could be preparing another buy, or perhaps he's just ringing the alarm as Bitcoin preps for a new all-time high. Either way, the post became the #1 trending crypto meme of the day, showing the power of narrative and branding in Web3. When Saylor tweets, people don't scroll, they stare. This man holds over 500,000 Bitcoin and hasn't sold a Satoshi. If he says Bitcoin is calling, it's time to answer the damn phone. So there you have it. Bitcoin whales hoarding supply, XRP whales rearranging chess pieces, Ripple preparing for legal victory, ETF hype building up like thunderclouds, BlackRock flexing while others fold, and Saylor dropping meme bombs that ripple through the markets. Every one of these stories points to one truth. We're not early anymore, but we're not too late yet. If you've been waiting for a sign, this is it. Drop your comment below. Will XRP get an ETF before ETH? Will Bitcoin break $100,000 before July? Is this finally the start of the next wave? Subscribe to Bulldogito News so you never miss a signal. Smash the like, join the pack, and stay hungry. Because here's the thing. This isn't just crypto news. This is the future unfolding in real time. Until next time, stay bold, stay bullish, stay Bulldogito.